Let's learn how to convert decimal fractions in base 10 to base 2. For example, convert 1.5 base 10 to base 2. Solution. To do this, we split the decimal fraction into the whole number part and the decimal part. Now for this 11.5, the whole number part is 11, the decimal part is the 0.5. So let's split that first. So this side, the whole number part, here you have the decimal part. And from the question, the whole number part here is 11. The decimal part is 0.5. Now we convert separately. To convert this, we draw a table. Then we divide repeatedly by 2 until further division is not possible and reach the remainders upward. So let's start. 2 goes in 11, you have 5, remainder 1. 2 goes in 5, you have 2, remainder 1. 2 goes in 2, you have 1, remainder 0. 2 goes in 1, you have 0, remainder 1. And you read it upward. So here you have 1, 0, 1, 1, base 2. Now let's convert the decimal part. For the decimal part, we multiply by the base we are converting to, which is 2 in this case, repeatedly until you get 0 or a recurring number. Let's see how we do that. We multiply by 2. Now 5 multiplied by 2, you have 0 point. Then the digits you are bringing to this side, that's 1, because 2 multiplied by 0 here. When you don't say any number here, it refers to as 0 being there. So when you multiply 2 by 0, there you have 0. I take the 1 you are bringing to this side. When you add this together with that 0, you have 1. That means for the decimal part, you have 0. So we stop. Because in the steps we are given, when you have 0 or periodic number, that is a recurring number, we stop and we read the digits. Now, which digit are we reading? This part. So that means we have 0.1 in base 2 here. That is, my 0.5 in base 10 is the same as my 0.1 in base 2. Now, because we are having 11.5, we combine these two answers together. So that is my, therefore, 11.5 base 10 equals, bring this, 1011, bring this together, 0.1 base 2. That is, 11.5 base 10 is the same as saying 1011.1 in base 2. And that's how to convert a decimal fraction in base 10 to base 2. Thank you.